Hello and welcome to Angie's Tasty Foodies. Today we are preparing French style roast chicken. Come on, let's do this. Prepare a large chicken and insert 2 bay leaves. Put inside 3 cloves of garlic, insert 1 branch of rosemary, season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, put inside sprigs of thyme, you can also add 1 slice of lemon. Then tie both legs so that it would look more elegant. When you're done, transfer it to a big container. Then fill up the spaces with potatoes. After that, polish the chicken with olive oil generously. Then pour all over the potatoes the remaining oil. Sprinkle all over them the remaining salt. Also sprinkle all over them some ground black pepper. Again, spice them with 2 branches of rosemary, you can add more sprigs of thyme, you can spice it with more garlics. Also put 2 more slices of lemon. Perfect your recipe by adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you're ready for baking. Bake your chicken at 220 degrees centigrade for 50 to 60 minutes. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Also please subscribe to our channel for more videos.